Hello guys, today is the 27th March and our today's video topic which is keywords in Java. So basically the keywords are the reserved words and it can be used in all programming languages. So keywords are the special type of words which already known the meaning of by Java compiler. Uh, we cannot know the actual meaning of that particular keywords which we can use in our program, but the compiler has already known the what meanings of the particular that keywords are used by the developer in their program. Already known the actual meaning of that, and there are set of instruction are passed by any developer to the compiler. That's why he identify the keywords and its actual meaning. So there are 53 keywords are used in Java. I'm not sure about that. About the total 53, we are using 51 keywords. There are two keywords which we cannot use in a Java programming languages. These are the which is a go to and constant keywords. These are the two keywords which we cannot use in Java. So apart from these two, we are using a 51 keywords in a Java programming languages. Uh, Let we covered most of the some important keywords in that, because the all 51 keywords it is not possible to discuss in our one video. So that's why we are discussing just important keywords which are necessary to use our programmer, or which is frequently used by the any programmers. So basically the keywords, yeah, first keyword which is abstract. When we want to create an abstract method or abstraction property, if we want to use abstract or non-abstract method, then we are using the abstract keywords in that. So after that we can use the assert keyword also. Assert keyword, the fact about that assert keyword, which is a it was added in the 1.4 version of Java, I think. So after that there are some other keywords which is a primitive data type also, which is character, integer, byte, short, long. These are the all reserved keywords also. And after that we can say the public, static. Public, which is means the accessible by any, it means the publicly accessible. After that the static, it means when we declare a static method or static keywords in our program, so that means it is accessible for whole our class or the project which is created by us. All in that project we can use that static variable or static method. So after that enum also. Enum is a keywords which we can use the perform the operation on enumerations. After that there are return keyword. Return, it means the when we use the return keywords in our method or class, exit in the end of the our method, which will end of the our method, because when we use a integer main method or some method, then return is much necessary in that. And after that we can say the looping statements are also the used in the keywords, which is a do, while. After that we can use the break and continue also. There are the flow control statements which already discussed in our previous videos. After that we can say the void keywords, it means the there is no return type in that methods. And another one we can say the try or catch, which is used in a exceptional. We want to handle the exceptions, then we want to use a try keyword. After that try keyword, we are using the catch keyword also, because the catch keyword is handle and uh, solve to the exception handling. After that native keyword are also present in that. Native keyword is it means when we want to native keywords is basically we use in a JNI, which is a Java native interface. And after that the new keywords. New keywords which is very important for creation of object. When we want to create an object of that class, then we are using the new keywords. So after that we are using also the extends keywords. Extends keyword are we use in a inheritance property. when we want to inherit the property of class B from the property of A, then we use the extends keywords. After that, import keyword also import when we want to import the some libraries or predefined functions, which then we can use the import keyword in that. After that, we are discussing the private. Private is also the when we want to the create a method or a variable, then we are using the private keywords. After that, there are some other keywords. These are not keywords in Java, so we will discuss about them also. So basically there are four keywords which are it means which are not keywords basically. These are the delete, null, after that next, and main also. So basically delete is used for the destruction of our object. It means the delete our object or destruction performance are performed by the delete keywords. That's why we are not using as a keyword in Java. So after that, null keyword is also it has a sorry it has also the literal values. That's why we are not using a null keywords as in Java. After that, we can say the main, it is also the it is also the method name, so that's why we are not using as a keyword in Java. After that, there are next is also not used in Java, because these are the perform operations on the Java program. That's all about the keywords. I hope you understand the some of them. So thank you.